Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is dishwash powder, which is of very high quality. And I will show you to make it in a very low cost. This powder is used to wash utensils. Friends, this is a full practical video and I will also show you the raw materials and I will also tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, please watch full video and don't skip in between the video. So let's start the video. First, see the raw materials. See, this is acid slurry. It is also called lapsa. It is easily available in the local industrial shops. Now see, this is sodium lauryl sulfate. It is also available in the local industrial chemical shops. This is soda ash. It is also called sodium carbonate. It is also available in the industrial chemical shops. See, this is common salt, also called sodium chloride. See, this is sodium metasilicate. It is also very easily available in the industrial chemical shops. This is color. If you want to add color, it is optional. This is fragrance. You can add any fragrance of your choice. Fragrance and color should be water based. Now friends, I am starting the video. For that, I have taken acid slurry. In it, I am adding sodium metasilicate. Now I am adding salt in it. Now I am adding soda ash in it. Now I am adding sodium lauryl sulfate. Now I am adding fragrance in it. Now I am adding color in it. It is optional. If you want to add, you can add it or you can add any color of your choice. Now I am mixing it. See friends, your dishwash powder is ready. Friends, if you want fine powder, leave it for some time to dry and then sieve it. Friends, now I am showing you the pH level of this powder. For that I have taken some water in this bowl and now I am adding some dishwash powder in this water. For that I have taken this pH paper. It is easily available in the market. The pH should be between 5 to 7 for dishwash powder. Now I am measuring the pH. See the color. It is around 6, which is perfect. Friends, I had already uploaded a video on how to balance pH level. Please watch that video. I will give the link in the description box. Now I will wash a dish in front of you and show the quality of this dishwash powder. For that I have taken water in this bowl. Now I am washing this dish. After wetting this dish, I am applying some powder and rubbing it. So friends, see the result. See friends, it is too foamy and I am not able to wash this dish in this water. I have to wash it in some more water. Now I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of sodium metasilicate is 100 gram. Sodium lauryl sulfate 14 gram. Soda ash 40 gram. Salt 50 gram. Acid slurry 35 gram. Fragrance 1 to 2 ml. You can increase or decrease the quantity of fragrance according to your choice. Same for color. Friends, if you face any problem, you can write down your queries in the comment box. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please hit the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Press that bell icon also. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is written on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification as soon as I will make a new video in future. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.